Hey everyone, this is Amit Padhy, founder of Shadelife, India's first 3D printing lighting brand. At Shadelife, we believe in lamps for creating magnetic ambiences. We design and manufacture all our lights in-house with modern 3D printing technology, while taking care of nature with sustainable material. We create our style which suits the need for everyone. The biggest challenge of Shadelife was to maintain its continuous design innovation and render visualization. We did around 100 plus design iterations and tested the form in our in-house 3D printing farm. For this, my team needed a lag-free and high-performance machine, and we chose MSI GE66 Raider. The reason we chose this machine because it's a powerful portable laptop with 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor combined with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super GPU. Our 3D software blender runs smoothly on this thanks to its high performance H series Intel processor and MSI's Cooler Boost 5 cooling system that keeps this beast going on. In addition to this, a wide selection of port enables multiple monitor and device connection on one go. Today I am here with MSI India team and we will walk you through the process of 3D modeling and its 3D printing. So let's jump to Blender software. So before jumping to design, we need to keep 2 points in mind. First is that for lighting object there should be a light space and there should be a dark space, and there shouldn't be any support in the design because we are 3D printing it. So let's start with the basic shape, that is circle. Now change the plane to the main plane where to define the height of the object. We are taking inspiration of earthen pots, so yeah, we are making it as the shape of pots. Yeah, so we make a pattern that will define our dark space and light space. Designed it, made it the pattern and revolved around the circle and extruded it to the defined shape, that is spot. Taken to the environment, added the bulb, visualized it, and yeah, we are ready with our design. Now let's export it to the STL file, and now we can jump to 3D printing process. Recently, MSI has launched 11th Gen laptops with NVIDIA RTX 30 series GPU in high-performance series such as GE, GS and GP, which will be available in India soon. In addition, you can now get huge discount on high-end gaming laptops. Their prices are lower than ever for a limited time. So buy now. We hope this video will inspire all my MSI friends to work towards their passion because it's rewarding. Following my passion was never easy. Thanks to my buddy MSI GE66 Raider. Do check out our products on shadelife.store and follow us on Instagram to support sustainability. Details are in the description. Thanks for tuning in. Please follow and like MSI India page for more amazing and inspiring content. All the best. Stay fit, stay safe and stay productive with MSI.